Welcome to the mesmerizing world of YouTube, where creativity reigns supreme and every click is an invitation to a new adventure. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the 20 essential keys that will unlock the potential of your YouTube channel and catapult it to stardom. 1. Define your niche ***. Your niche is your YouTube channel's very own magic potion. It's the essence that makes your content unique, drawing in viewers who share your passions. Whether you're an unboxing aficionado, a fitness guru, defining your niche is like hoisting your flag in this vast content sea. 2. Content quality. Your videos are your masterpiece. Think of your camera as your brush, your microphone as your musical instrument, and your editing software as your canvas. Invest in quality equipment to create content that's not just engaging but visually and audibly stunning. 3. Video length. In the age of ever-scrolling thumbs, shorter videos, around 7 to 15 minutes, often keep viewers' attention. But remember, let your content dictate the length, not the other way around. Engaging stories should never be rushed. 4. Thumbnail optimization. Your video thumbnail is the siren's call, beckoning potential viewers to click. Make it a vibrant, irresistible window into your video's world. 5. Engaging titles. Your video title is the opening line of your story. A compelling hook. It should both describe the content and pique curiosity. A captivating title can work wonders for your click-through rate, CTR, which is like your YouTube channel's applause meter. 6. Keyword research. Keywords are the treasure map of YouTube. They guide viewers to your content. Equip yourself with SEO tools to unearth the goldmine of keywords relevant to your video's topic, and sprinkle them throughout your title, description, and tags. 7. Video description. Your video's description is the backstage pass to your content. Use it to provide context, additional information, and links to relevant content. Include keywords here too, as it helps YouTube's search engine discover your video. 8. Consistency. Consistency is the heartbeat of your channel. It's the promise that every Tuesday at 2 p.m., your viewers will be treated to something exciting. Set a schedule and stick to it. It builds anticipation and keeps viewers coming back for more. 9. Audience interaction. YouTube isn't a one-way street. It's a bustling town square, where your viewers are your friends and supporters. Engage with them, respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, and build a community where everyone feels valued. 10. Custom channel branding. Your channel's branding is your visual signature. Think of your banner and profile picture as your channel's costume. They should be as unique as your content, immediately recognizable, and resonate with your audience. 11. Channel trailer. Your channel trailer is your movie's blockbuster trailer. It's your chance to make a grand entrance and introduce new viewers to your world. Keep it concise, enticing, and a perfect teaser of what your channel offers. 12. Session time. Session time is like YouTube's currency. It's the total duration viewers spend on your channel. Encourage viewers to explore more of your content by using cards and end screens to suggest related videos. 13. Analytics. YouTube Analytics is your crystal ball. It reveals who's watching, when they're watching, and why they're watching. It's a treasure chest of insights, and diving into it regularly is key to channel growth. 14. CTR, click-through rate. A high CTR is like winning a golden ticket to YouTube stardom. It means your thumbnails and titles are magnetizing viewers. Experiment with different combinations to boost this vital metric. 15. Retention rate ***. Viewer retention is all about holding your audience spellbound. Keep them engaged, excited, and interested throughout your video to maximize your retention rate. 16. Audience retention graph. This graph is your guide to understanding viewer behavior. It shows where you're hitting a high note and where you might need to tune up. Use it to improve your content and keep viewers captivated. 17. Monetization. The sweet sound of monetization. There are multiple ways to earn through your channel, from AdSense to selling merchandise or partnering with sponsors. But remember, the most important currency here is trust. Always prioritize your viewers' experience. 18. Community guidelines. The YouTube universe has its own set of rules and regulations. Make sure you understand these guidelines to avoid strikes and keep your channel on the right track. 19. Collaborations. Collaboration is the symphony of YouTube. Join forces with fellow creators to create harmonious content. It's a fantastic way to introduce your channel to new audiences and expand your reach. 20. Copyright and fair use. In the YouTube opera, understanding copyright and fair use is like learning the libretto. Respect copyright laws and use third-party content responsibly. This way, you won't hit any sour notes or legal troubles. 21. Patience and perseverance. The grand finale, the standing ovation, the moment when your channel takes flight, can take time. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful YouTube channel. Keep your vision clear, your passion burning, and your determination unwavering. In closing, YouTube is a boundless canvas where you can paint your dreams, share your passions, and connect with people around the world. Mastering these 21 keys will open the doors to a world of endless creativity. Remember, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the journey itself. So, set sail on your YouTube adventure. Create content that resonates with your heart, and let your viewers join you on the ride of a lifetime. The spotlight awaits. Best of luck on your incredible YouTube journey.